If you want your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 to track sleep, all you have to do is you need to simply make sure that you go to sleep with your watch on your wrist. Now, how you wear your watch on the wrist is also quite important, because to make sure that all the data is collected properly, you want to wear it approximately 2 centimeters away from the wrist bone. So keep that in mind. It shouldn't be like too close to your hand, it shouldn't be too far away either, and you should wear it snugly so that it doesn't go up and down on your wrist all the time. And then, once you wake up, you can go, for example, to the Samsung Health app, and you can go to sleep option over here to check out all the information. By the way, you can also find advanced option in here if you scroll down, where you can also toggle blood oxygen, snore detection, and skin temperature. And also we have sleep time estimates. And that is pretty much it. So you don't really need to enable anything. At least I don't think you have to enable anything. That's all you need to do. Just make sure that you wear your watch. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.